Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to create your reflected ceiling layout, furniture's layout and roof plan in Revit. Okay, so this is related into my standard floor plan part 1. So before we go straight to the tutorial, I would like to ask to everyone that please watch every part of this video and don't forget to like, share or subscribe. Okay, so first thing I will do is to explain first the modification that I did. That is only to flip it this door, okay, and to add wall and door in this centralized heater, okay. So now I just start to rename it step by step. Okay, so I just simply duplicate first this one. Okay, I just choose now the duplicate with detailing. Okay, because I want to copy all the information of this existing layout. Okay, so I just rename it this into floor plan. Okay, so now I just starting to just holding the control shift to hide all this one. Okay, so now here in the properties I just simply move it down this one. Okay, just hold it into your mouse and drag it down, and here in crop region you can check this one. Okay, so you can counter check it this at least near by into your layout like this. Okay, so once you placing in the title block, so no any obstruction. Okay, so that is in the proper way, so you can uncheck again this one to automatically hide. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to go into the ceiling layout. So that is the first topic to this content. Okay, so now here in the PPL I just simply duplicate with detailing again. Okay, and hold the control tips to select all these elevation marker and hide view elements. Okay, and I just simply adjust it in line, okay, to the floor plan. So this one is no need this into this ceiling layout, so I just simply select this and hide also this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to go back into the floor plan and I just simply modify it. Oops, control set this. Okay, A and B. Okay, because I forget this into my part 1, this to modify it this. Okay, to change it in letter. So now what I'm going to do next is to go into this FFL copy. I just rename it this into reflected ceiling plan. Okay, so now once you have done this, okay, select, hit the tab. Okay, to select, hit the tab, hold the control shift, hit the tab, hold and hide element. Okay, because this is reflected ceiling, so at least you don't see, you cannot see that wall. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to command, but before that I just want to counter check it also this one. Okay, so this is all okay, so I just simply uncheck again this one. Okay, you can copy the information into your floor plan by use the copy paste. Okay, So it's better I use that one. So all my dimensions are the same. Okay, so I just go into floor plan. Okay, floor plan. Select all this one. Okay, copy or filter, check done, and I just simply select the dimension. Apply OK and copy, paste, align to selected views. And now I paste it into the reflected ceiling and hit OK. So now if I go into this reflected ceiling plan, all the dimension is already here, but you need to delete the not necessary in this part. Okay, so I just simply delete this. So this is okay. This is not okay. So I just delete this. So this is okay. So now DI to add the dimension, hit the tab, okay, to change the reference. Okay. And now here is the tip if you want to equalize this dimension into from number to letter, DL for the shortcut. Okay, use the circle, snap in the column and put into the dimension and you can move it this dimension. Okay, so that is so to make it look good. Okay, and you can little bit it down like this. Okay, almost at least equal. Okay, so now once you finish that one, okay, you need to go into annotate, of course, because we need to put some details of this area because this is different ceiling. So now I just will go to region, field region, edit type, duplicate, okay, change the drafting first into the gypsum plaster. Okay, because that is what I want. So I just choose the line and I just draw a line here. Okay, hit finish. Okay, so this is the one that I need. Okay, into my ceiling layout. Okay, so what once you have this, okay, what I'm going to do next is to place the text information of every room. Okay, and here this is the opening or shop. Okay, so DL for the shortcut. Okay, go to hidden line. Okay, change it into hidden lines. It's okay, no problem. Okay, so now we start adding a placing a text here. Okay, so I just simply use this one. Okay, and I just simply place this text here. Gypsum board. Okay, so now I just simply add a dimension here, DI for the shortcut. Okay, and you need to hide this pipe. Okay, so now you already almost finished this ceiling. Okay, I already almost finished. Okay, so now I just want to override this column in this ceiling. Okay, so to do that one, okay, the cut of this column. So BG for the shortcut. Okay, so go into visibility graphics and model categories. Okay, if you watch my part 1, I use the structural column instead of architectural. So I want to search this one, okay, the structural column, override, and I just simply override it into diagonal down, representing as a cut column, okay? So now, what I'm going to do next is to create or add now a title block, okay? So now I just want to add a sheet. Okay, so to do that one, I go to sheet and I just prepare these 4 layouts in A0. Okay, so now here I just change this. I want to explain first. Okay, I just want this A102 as 2, my presentation, room presentation, and my 3 is the standard details, but there is some modification in my next tutorial. Okay, and this I want to change it into A01. Okay. How can I do that? I just simply go into sheet and I just simply double click it this A101. Okay, so now I just simply place start to place this floor plan here. Okay. So now I just simply play it this. Okay. Including this. We have already floor plan. Okay. Reflected ceiling plan. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to go to the furniture layout. Okay, so how can I do that? I just go again into FFL. Okay, floor plan. Okay, I just duplicate this, or it's better this floor plan. Okay, I just simply duplicate it with detailing. Okay, and rename it into layout. Okay, so now select, use only the selection. Okay, so I just simply select this. Okay, hide element. Information or text here. Okay, so I just go into annotate text and I just want to add only this text here. Okay, so it's better I use. Okay, select this and use the arrow key to move it. Okay, so I just simply select this. elements, select this, select all instance, entire project, okay, hide element. Okay, so you have already a furniture layout, okay, but you need to change this dimension, of course, because this is furniture's layout. DI for the shortcut to dimension. Furniture layout. Okay, so once you have this, okay, I just simply remove it also, this one, DE of elements, okay. So now what I'm going to do next is to command again a BG, okay. BG, okay, is structural column override and diagonal down. Okay, so that is done already. So this is the furniture layout. So what I'm going to do is to place now in the sheet. Okay, so here in the sheet is including in A101 standard drawing. So I just get this furniture layout. Okay, so this is the one already. So we have floor plan, reflected ceiling plan in this project, and I have already a furniture. So now I proceed to the final one. Now here, going to do next is to hide. Okay, this one, hide element, change it into find, hidden. Okay. So now I go into, anyway, I need to duplicate this with detailing. Sorry. Okay, so this is plan. Okay, roof plan, roof plan. So now I just go into furniture layout. It's better for me this one. Okay, select all this one. Okay, filter, check none, dimension, apply OK, copy, paste into align selected views, roof plan. Okay, so roof plan, okay. And now I just simply hide this detail. Okay, so now I just go into roof plan. I just want to see only this two. Okay, so I just simply hide this. Okay, so this is the one I want. Okay, the parapet line, because this is the roof. So what I'm going to do next is to create a just only a detail. Okay, just only detail line. So DL for the shortcut. Okay, only use the detail line to this roof. Okay, because I need to create a family representing the roof drain. Okay, but here I just simply place it detail line. Okay, so now select this one, okay, create similar. I just simply use the line again, okay, I just simply pointing into the rainwater pipe, okay, for the shortcut to mirror in the other side, okay, and now I just go into annotate, okay, and place a text, okay, simply place a text here, snap here, and I just, let's say this is ridge line, okay, ridge line, okay, and representing the arrows only, okay, just only text, okay, slope, RO, for the shortcut to mirror it in the other side, okay, can use the R also, slope, okay, and select this for the shortcut, okay, so there is some drain here, okay, so I just placing or creating all the families of drain in a separate tutorial, okay, so we have already a rope, okay, and now I just simply adding a text again to completing this one, okay, here this is the, okay, so representing this building line, okay, just go into the detail line, okay, I just use detail line, okay, or this hidden lines and draw a rectangle here, okay, so this is the building line, okay, so now the dimension you need here, okay, is TI, here to here. So this is the one, and you can delete it this two. Okay, so that is the dimension into the rope. So the rest is the floor drain. Okay, so this is the roof, simple roof plan already that I made. So I just simply place it now into my standard drawings. Okay, so now I just simply go here and get this floor roof plan. Simply place this. Okay, make sure that you snap into the, okay, you can drag it this and select this, and adjust it this one. Okay, so this is already our roof plan. Okay, roof plan, furniture layout. Okay, this floor plan and the reflected ceiling plan. Okay, so we already complete this standard drawing into this part. Okay, the rest is the elevation and the cross section. Okay, so I hope that everyone can follow the easy steps that I did in this tutorial. Okay, so please don't forget to like, share, or subscribe. And if you're new in this channel, you can go into my playlist. There is a part 1 there, so you can follow up to the end of this standard drawing tutorial. Okay, so thank you for watching. God bless to all of you and see you in my next video.